Hi all, let's familiarize Satellite Toolkit to solve real-world problems like spacecraft mission operation, space exploration, etc. So you can download the software from AGA site and then open the software and create a scenario. And default central body is Earth. So you will get a 2D and 3D view of Earth. So you will be able to simulate certain things in this. You will be also able to get different kind of planets. For that, file and then new. You will be able to get this window. Select the central body as something else. Currently we are selecting it as Jupiter and press enter. A 2D and 3D view of Jupiter will appear. So similarly, we will be able to select different kind of planets or moon, etc. So this can be basically used for different kind of simulation regarding space missions. Using the same steps, trying to see the central body Saturn, and then following the same step you will be able to see the central body moon. So using play button you will be able to see the motion. Going back to Earth as the central body. So by clicking play you will be able to see the rotation of Earth. Let's familiarize STK more detail in future videos. Thank you.